Well, a good Monday morning to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome everyone to my home in the sticks, and I hope everybody's having a good Monday and a good start to a new week. And I really hope everybody had a good Christmas. But over here in East Central Mississippi, I'm here to tell you, the rain is moving in. Before we get started on today's video, I always like to mention that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you return and just see what old Dan's got going on over her, I sure enough thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is we're going to do a little small hydroponic lettuce update. I got to show you how it's growing on. Give me a second and I'm finna show you. Well, look at there. I'm here to tell you, I am quite impressed on how this Kratky style system of hydroponics is working. Got one that's leaned over, might need to do something with him. But this lettuce is growing really good. Hope you can see the colors. It's just amazing how this stuff is growing. And of course I have everything else in it. It's still getting its grow on. It's growing really well in the Maxi Growth solution, a nutrient that I put in these 5-gallon buckets, and all I can say is I'm really impressed on how this grows. And we are about 18 days in, and I would imagine in the next couple of weeks it's probably gonna be time to start harvesting this lettuce, and I'm definitely excited about that. And I also can't say enough about this SF1000 Spider Farmer grow light. This thing is amazing. It works really well for the application that I'm using it in this grow tent. So kudos to Spider Farmer on their light. I'm definitely digging how it works. What I'm also doing is I'm starting another round of lettuce seeds. Here they are right here. I have some more prize head lettuce, and over here I have some red salad bowl sitting in the rock wool, getting warmed up because the temperatures just fluctuate a lot in the shop. Another thing that I find that is just weird as all get out is I cannot find black lids for 5-gallon buckets nowhere near my location. So I actually had to buy some online. Got another black bucket lined up for the next round of Kratky hydroponic lettuce. And here is the bucket lid that I found, and I had to actually buy this on Amazon. Not really too bad. It was 10 lids for I think 20 bucks. One thing I found on the lids, especially the way that I did it the first time, is I used Krylon to actually paint the lids. The buckets were blue, but I went ahead and painted them black just to seal out all of the light, as much light as I possibly could. But on the lids, when you go to take the lids off, the actual Krylon, the spray paint, cracks. So I was like, well, that's kind of like a no-go. You're double working yourself, really. So why not find some black lids? That's how they came packaged. And the one thing that I thought that was really cool, wasn't expecting it, is cutouts for the actual lid itself. Set that joker on there and you just find out where you want to put your holes. It came with a template. So I thought that was really nifty. Needless to say, I was pretty thrilled about that. Didn't have to, took all the guesswork out of it for me. Put that template on the 5-gallon bucket lid and commenced cutting holes out. So that worked out pretty good. So y'all, that's what I wanted to share with you and y'all today. Just a little short video. I wanted to update everyone on the hydroponic lettuce. It is growing fantabulously, and I'm here to tell you, I think I'm gonna roll with that style of hydroponics for a while. May get off into a DWC, who knows, but I am thrilled on how the Kratky system is actually working. So again, I hope everybody's having a good Monday, and I hope everybody stays safe this week amid the crisis that we still have going on. If you like this video, go and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here, give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan Redford sure enough always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on. It's important. Be you. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.